Hello creative heroes, welcome to another video. Thang and Michael are here today and we're gonna talk about how you can better manage your YouTube channel. When I started my YouTube channel, I had my ideas for new videos as well as scripts all over the place, from my phone to the paper just on my desk. And so I realized quickly soon that this was not really manageable in a long game. I believe that there is always a solution for any problem, and so I tried apps like Google Keep, which synchronize the cards all over from your computer to your phone, and still that was not something that I was looking for.
You know nothing, Thang.
Please don't listen to him. I found something that solved all my problems, and that is
Notion app.
It is a very useful tool that is applicable to many aspects of your life or your work, but I will show you how exactly I use it for YouTube management. This is my Notion page for YouTube management. I save new ideas for new videos here as well as script them. There are 5 columns that tracks the state of each video. The first column is called ideas. That's the place where I add my new ideas for content. I usually add those from my phone because I always get ideas when I'm not on my computer for some reason. On a day when I decide to write a script, I just pick 1 or 2 or 3 of those from the ideas column and put them into 2 script columns. When scripting, I usually don't write each word that I will say on the video, but rather just write the overall idea and then having few bullet points. The night before the day when I record videos, I just take those already scripted videos and put them into ready to record. Then it's super easy when I sit in front of the camera. I just open that script and just follow the ideas and the bullet points, and then the video actually gets created. At the end of the record day, I just move them into recorded. When I'm done with editing and then the video gets actually published, it's moved to published.
That was pretty obvious. You didn't have to show us, Thang.
So that was roughly a process that I use for creation of my videos, from all the way the idea to actually publishing it. Having a system for managing your YouTube videos from idea creation to actually publishing it is really helpful, and I strongly recommend you to use some sort of Notion or even actually Notion because it's a really lovely app. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button if you have not. May the good karma be with you. Thank you so much for watching. Thang and
Michael
are out.